Good morning. I'm Robert Signet, the principal of Glen Magnet High School. We got a lot of things going on, and we want you to just take a look and walk inside with us.
Good morning, my name is Mr. Gordon, one of the assistant principals here at Glen Magnet High School. Let's take a look at some of the things going on in our buildings.
My name is Mrs. Lee. I'm assistant principal here at Glen Magnet High School. Thank you for touring our school. G-O, you know, and if you don't know, now you know.